Hi everyone, Wendy Blinko here from the car company at 202 Rutherford Street, Nelson. Here we have a near new Toyota Hiace van, 10-seater with low Ks. So the 2025 model that we have here comes with the latest safety features. Down here you've got your lane assist. Also comes with the pre-collision system as well. Views with the camera. You've got your 360-degree camera, forward-facing camera, side cameras, and also when you go to reverse, you've got your 360 and reverse camera. Also kitted out with a New Zealand New head unit, which gives you your Android Apple CarPlay and also your Bluetooth system there. And a good way to keep everyone cool in the back, they've got their own dedicated air vents in the back here. And spacious, comfortable seats for 10 people. Also has a nice wide aisle along here for passengers to get in and out, along with your storage compartment in here. Also comes with flexible seating options. If you weren't needing all 10 seats, you can actually raise up the back seats here. So if you're needing only 8 seats and needed a bit more storage, then you can lift the seat up. If you didn't need 8 seats and could go a bit less, you can also lift this seat up to match the other one there as well, and it gives you plenty more storage in the back. Also has an electric door as well, which makes it easy to get in the vehicle and to get back out again. Also can be operated from the driver's side, so they can just hit a button and let all their passengers out. So if you're interested in this 10-seater van, come and see myself, Wendy Blinko, at the car company here in Nelson at 202 Rutherford Street.